All right, unit number 1. It's a foyer. Hello.
Hi.
Just doing a video. Closet. See, nice and deep. So, and they use it as just a straight foyer. But this door right here, a lot of times I've seen people put couches across here, and you'll see it's an option, so you can literally enter through there, so you don't have to go through this area. But either way, huge rack for shoes. They're in the process of moving out because their lease ends in about 5 days. Bay windows. You see all these boxes here, just to give you an idea. Here's the huge throw of the whole place. All the way over there is going to be the kitchen. So fireplace, TV. So this is a living room, dining room type combo. That is the door, as I mentioned. That's the front door, so you could come through and go here if you want to put a big couch here. This is bedroom number 1. Now that's a queen size bed you're seeing on the floor here. Comes in, and then there's like this little nook. Closet. Into the middle. And the middle here has bathroom number 1. The other bathroom's right on the other side. Alright. And then bedroom number 2. This needs another light bulb in there. Now this door, again, you can use it if you choose, but that's going to go into the kitchen, so I'll show you. It's another option. You don't have to use this door if you don't want to, if you want to put your bed against this wall. Alright. Bathroom number 2. Cut this on for you. Alright. This is the door again for the bedroom I just showed you. Here's our current tenants. Cabinets, granite, dishwasher, and then last bedroom. It's a pretty deep closet actually, coming all the way in, up and around. And then last piece is your backyard. I see you got your bed out already.
Yeah.
You were quick, all right. And they fixed this, right? No more falling off?
We don't really know.
Got it. Back porch. This one is all yours. That's the coach house behind you, and then common area all through here. And you could also leave through here if you wanted to. Straight out here. And then laundry in the basement for everybody.